idol ko lang. Alright! I've been hosting Marky Mo for so many years now. Ngayon ko lang nakita na sobrang dami ng tao. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta. Maraming salamat. Okay, syempre, I know everyone is excited, but of course, bago ang lahat, painitin muna natin. Okay? First, let's have a game. Ayan. At malay natin kung sino man ang malalalo ng game, he or she will have a privilege later on to meet our special guest for tonight. And of course, we will be giving some prizes, okay? But before anything else, so let me guys, are you ready for the game? Marky Sale is coming over to okay, now, I need 5 super fans of Alden. 5. How do we choose that? It's gonna be really crowded. All right. 5, do we select randomly? We can select randomly, right? Randomly, okay? Okay. I see somebody in there holding heart, the red heart. Right there, the red heart right there. Come here. And somebody holding the photo of Alden right here. Wearing color gray. Okay. What's that written on your tab? Come here, come here. Nag-effort si ate. Piliin mo ako right on your tablet. Okay, come here. Okay, come here ate. The one wearing white. We already have 4. All right. Last one, the one holding orange paper. Is that orange or yellow? Yeah, orange. Okay, come here. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Mukhang excited si na ate. Excited ka? Wow. Have you been watching Alden? Nice. Okay, kilalanin muna natin ang ating mga contestants. Okay, alam niyo na ba anong gagawin niyo? Ready sila. Hindi nila alam anong gagawin na. Lagot kayo ngayon. Okay, what's your name?
Lizette.
Lizette from where?
Angeles City.
From Angeles City. You?
Alisa po.
Alisa from?
Tarlac.
All the way from Tarlac. Asan ang mga taga-Tarlac? Aba, okay. How about you, ma'am?
Rina po.
From where?
Clark.
Okay, thank you, Katrina. And you, ma'am?
Mami Shay.
Mommy Shay, sino pong kasama nila?
Yan, sila lahat.
Okay, so meron kayong shirt na it says there. Alright, it's a show from GMA. Talagang fan na fan. Alright. Taga saan po, ma'am?
Mexico, Pampanga.
All the way from Mexico, Pampanga. Okay, thank you po. And you?
Mariela po. Mariela.
Mariela, taga saan?
Guagua.
From Guagua? Malayo-layo din yun, ano? Okay, may kasama ba?
Opo.
Okay, alright. So guys, ready na ba? Kaya niyo bang sumayaw? Okay, kung sino ang may pinaka-sexy at pinaka-alluring at syempre pinaka-entertaining na dance number, siya ang mananalo, of course, okay? Let's start with number 1. Music, please! Bigay na bigay si ate! Sige pa, groove it! Yan lang ba ate? Alam mo? Oy, stop! Thank you so much! Palakpakan naman natin! Okay, yan ang ating number 1. Okay, how about our next contestant? Ate, huwag ka naman yan! Kaya mo yan! Okay, hawakan ko to for you, okay? Sige na! Go, mommy! Oh, ayun o. Go, mommy! Come on! Alright, dance! Very conservative ang dance ni ate. Ayan, nahulog pa! Mapag-shin niyo na siya. Oh, yeah. Maraming salamat, contestant number 2. Number 3!
Stack it up and I'm spinning it all. When I throw it up, start twerking like Miley. Twerking like Miley.
Groove it, come on!
Start twerking like Miley. Twerking like Miley.
Thank you so much, contestant number 3. Let's now have the 4th one.
When I throw it up, start twerking like Miley.
Meron daw siyang ganon. Great mark.
Twerking like Miley.
Sige pa, kaya mo yan. Naiyan na si ate. And our last contestant. Eto, mukhang bibigay si ate. Go! Music, please.
Stack it up and I'm spinning it all. When I
Aba, may style.
start twerking like Miley.
Wow, palakpakan naman natin si ate.
Twerking like Miley. Start twerking like Miley.
Nice.
Twerking like Miley. You got
Great. Thank you so much to all of our 5 contestants. Okay, line up from 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, please. Okay, kung sino ang may pinakamalakas na palakpak, siya ang makakakuha. Of course, everyone will get prizes, but of course, somebody will get a special prize. Alright, palakpakan naman natin. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. 4. Aba, sandali, parang may lokohan dito ate eh. Ikaw yung hindi sumayo kanina, parang ikaw yung malakas na cheer. How about last contestant? Oh, there you have it. Second place daw si ate. Anyway, kayong lahat makakakuha ng prizes. You can get your prizes right there, please. And of course, congratulations to our winner. You can ask somebody from the staff what will be your special prize. Find out. Okay, maraming salamat. You can proceed right there, please. Oh, here are the prizes. Umbrella? Sa backstage. Are you guys ready? Whoa! Can I ask one more time? Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready to be serenaded by our featured performer? Isa ba? Mukhang ready na ang Pampanga. Hindi ko napapatagalin pa. The Kapusos Prime Time Prince, ladies and gentlemen, Alden Richard. Kamusta Pampanga? Pala sa likod, hello po. Kamusta yung mga nasa likod? Hello po. Nasa second floor? Mga nasa third floor? Gusto po, thank you for coming. Touching your embrace. Tonight, reason for my being. What we thought of all my dreams. You're my Thank you po! Thank you so much! Alright! Once again, palakpakan naman natin Mr. Hunter Richards! Welcome to Markimo! Finally, you're here! Thank you very much. Thank you po. Ano naman masasabi mo sa napakainit na pagtanggap ng mga kababayan? I love you all! Thank you! Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga nandito ngayon. Sa Aldab Nation po na nandito. Sumigaw kayo mga Aldab Nation po. Thank you po sa support. Napanood niyo ba yung kanina? Ay, thank you. Yan, syempre. Para sa forever, no? Para sa forever. Mr. Alden, a lot of people are asking, ano daw ba yung tipo mong babae? Yung magaling mag-dub smash? Aha! Sino kaya? Tsaka syempre, masiyahin, magaling mag-comedy, yung mga gano'n. But let's get to the bottom line. Ano daw ba ang real score between you and Maine? Ito lang ang sagot ko dyan. Okay, now are you guys ready? One more song from Alden. Sige po. This time with flowers na ba? Sino kaya? Alright, let's give it up one more time. Mr. Alden Richards. Huwag kang maniwala dyan, di ka naman sa lahat ng buhay mo, pupunta ka lang sa kanya. Iiwanan ka lang yan, ikaw magala. Huwag kalaban ka sa ilong niyong kamaya. Ko ang puso mo, aking kinalan. Wala nang hihigit na sa'yo. Hindi man ako bolero, katulad ng ibang tao. Totoo pag nandyan Bakit ika'y mabiktima? Okay naman! Bakit ka naman? Wala nang higit na sa'yo. Lahat ka nang naniniwala sa Barriers, sumigaw! Nice! Thank you po! Sa pag-ibig ko ka na lang. Wala nang higit pa sa'yo. Wala nang higit pa sa'yo. Wala nang higit pa sa'yo. Thank you po. Thank you very much. And bago po ako mag-proceed sa aking third and final song, gusto ko po sana mag-apologize na na-late po kami ng dating kasi medyo naging lang po sa schedule. Pero salamat po na nandito pa rin kayo. And of course, thank you very much to Marky Mall. And on behalf of GMA, we apologize po for the delay. Pero so far, nag-enjoy ba lahat? Nag-enjoy? Okay. And itong song na to, ako, sigurado ako alam niyo to. Ha? Sige, huwag natin patagalin. Music, please! When the world's over, I can reach you again. And I can't take you everything. Though you're lost in the taste of my rain. Though your eyes still smile from the truth. And darling, for us, thank you. People fall in love and still lose words. Maybe just a touch of me, I fall in love with you every single day. And I just wanna tell you I am. Take me into your loving arms. Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars. Place your head on me, love. Thinking out loud, maybe. Thank you, Bob. When my hands on the bar and my lonely face, and the crowds don't remember me, and my hands don't play the strings the same way. I know you will still be the same. 'Cause I'm yours. Thank you. Thank you, Ate. I'm full in love with you every single day. Alam niyo ba to? I just wanna tell you I am. Kayo naman!
Dalawang random audience na lang to. Sino bang in love ngayon? Sino bang single ngayon? Ito sa kabila. When the thousand stars place your head on my beating heart, pick it out, baby, deep down, baby, deep down, baby, out, baby, deep down.
And there you have it! Maraming salamat! Thank you so much!
Maraming salamat po mga kapuso. At sa lahat po na nandito ngayon, taga Pampanga, thank you very much for your patience. Salamat sa Out of Nation, maraming salamat sa suporta. And ito lang ang iwan ko sa inyo. Tuloy ang forever!
Palakpakan natin muli si Alvin Richards!